May the ancestors guide us with wisdom and strength.
Wait, I'm going to play this movie for you so that you are going to watch how amazing this movie is.
May the ancestors guide us with wisdom and strength. My king, it is time. Your time is up.
You dare come to my palace to warn me? You are not too big for me to crush.
Wow. This movie is so amazing, right? Don't worry, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can also create something amazing like what you just watched right now. I'm going to put you through step-by-step method, which I use to create something amazing like this. You don't need to buy expensive camera. You don't need to hire anybody like directors, actors, or actresses to create amazing Nollywood movies right now. This is 2026 and everything has changed. With AI, you can create amazing movie like this. In fact, you can create up to 3 hours movie like this. Following the method I'm going to show you right now in this video. All you just need is ChatGPT, Whisk AI, and Grok AI. These 3 AI tools can handle everything for you and you don't need to pay for it. Everything is free. So make sure you watch this video to the end. I'm going to put you through step-by-step method how you can do something like this for free without paying for any AI tool. Let's get started. But first, have you subscribed to this YouTube channel? If you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because on this channel we'll teach you how you can use AI to create amazing videos, how you can use AI to edit your photos. In fact, how you can use AI. That is what we teach in this channel. So subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you'll be getting latest videos like this on how you can use AI to create amazing things for yourself. Let's get started. So for me to be able to create that amazing Nigerian Nollywood movie type you just watch right now, I head over to ChatGPT. I use ChatGPT to generate my video prompt. And after going to ChatGPT, I share my video idea with ChatGPT, the kind of video I want to generate, and how I want the scene to be, how I want everything. I give ChatGPT my video idea, and after giving ChatGPT my video idea, this is what ChatGPT gave to me. Now, as you can see, this is the scene. As you can see, face character and everything. This is what ChatGPT gave to me. Now, on my scene 1 here, as you can see, say Nigeria land of destiny. As you can see, accidental Nigeria village surrounded with all these things. This is the ChatGPT gave me image prompt. It gave me image to video prompt, and this is scene 2, image prompt, image to video prompt, everything. It gave me everything, because that is what I want ChatGPT to give to me. On my previous video, I explained everything. All you just have to do, just go to ChatGPT, how you want your movie, explain to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT get you back. ChatGPT is going to help you generate the image and just indicate that you want to generate this type of video, and it should give you the image scene, everything. And ChatGPT is going to give you both the image scene and the video scene, just the way you are seeing it right here like this. As you can see, all the prompt here, both prompt of image and both prompt of image to video. Now, after you successfully get all this, let me show you how you are going to generate the entire scene right now. Let me assume you have already have your image prompt, video prompt, and if you need this prompt, I'm going to leave down this prompt on my Telegram channel. So head over to my Telegram channel right now. After watching this video, you are going to see the prompt I used to generate the entire video. Is going to be on my Telegram channel. So follow me on my Telegram channel and get the prompt. So the next thing you are going to do is to head over to this AI tool. You go to your Google and you search for this AI tool called Whisk. And Whisk, this is the AI tool I use to generate the image. Yes, I first generate those images which I use for this video. Now let me show you those images I use for this video. When you head over to this AI tool, you register, and after you successfully register a new account, if today is the first time you are coming across to the channel, and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when I start drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Now, when you register on this platform, the next thing you are going to do is to paste your prompt here to generate the image. Now, this is what I will do. I will just click on here. Now, this is now the next thing I'll do is to click on select this prompt here, image to video, image prompt here, then I'll click on copy. Now when I click on copy, the next thing I'm going to do is to come back to the AI tool. Now coming back to the AI tool, I'm going to paste the prompt I just copied right now. I'll paste it, then the next thing I'll click on the resolution, which aspect ratio. I want it to be landscape, that is I want to use it for my YouTube. The next thing I'll click on continue. Now when you click on continue, you just give it some minutes and it's going to generate the image for you. Now let me take you guys to the app library and show you the image we just generated right now. Let's go to my library, and when you click on my library, it's going to take you to see where the image is just generated right now. You click on images. Now if you are using your phone, you are going to see the image immediately. Now, as you can see, this is the image is just generated for us right now. So this is the same method I used to generate all these I used on that video. Let me show you those images I generated using this same method. As you can see, these are the images I generated using the same method I just showed you right now. This is the entire image I generated for the video scene. As you can see, these are the entire image I generated. All you just have to do is just to go back to ChatGPT again, and you copy your second image prompt. As you can see, second image from this is the brief bare feet of a young Nigerian female spiritual seer with a ritual foot making. So you can just copy it and you generate it. So all you just have to do is just to be copying it one by one, and you bring it to this AI tool and you click on generate, and it's going to generate all the entire images for you. If you do not know how to do it perfectly, you can watch my previous video which I did on this channel. The video is going to be popping up here where I show you how you can generate all those images you can generate images like this using this AI tool. So you can watch that my video. By the end of this video, I'm going to place that video up there so you can watch that video so that it will put you through how you are going to generate those images. Now, after you successfully generate all the images one by one, you have to generate it one by one. Every scene have its own image. As you can see, every scene have its own image. So after you successfully generate all the images, the next thing you are going to do is to look for this AI tool called Grok AI, which you are going to be using to create your image to video. Yes, Grok AI. Now, you search on Google, you are going to see Grok AI like this. Now, you are going to see grokai.com. You tap on it and you register. Make sure you register on this AI tool. Now, after you successfully register, all these AI tools I'm using right now to show you is free. It has some limit, but you can be able to do some work to generate the video. Now, you click on imagine here. Now, when you click on imagine, you are going to see this icon here that says attach here. You click on it. Now, you click on upload video image. Now, when you click on upload image, the image you just downloaded right now, we just create a moment ago. Let me show you guys the image. Let's download the image to our laptop. Let's download the image. Let me download the image so that I'll try one example. Now, this is the image. We are going to click on it and click on download. Now, it has successfully downloaded to our laptop. Now, come back to Grok AI. We click on this and click on upload a file. Now, the image we just download right now, we are going to upload the image. Now, this is the image we just download right now. Now, the next thing we are going to do is to upload the image. After uploading the image, we are going back to ChatGPT. Now, on ChatGPT, we are going to copy our first image to video prompt. As you can see, image to video prompt. We'll copy this and we go back to Grok AI and we are going to paste it here. Now, after pasting it, the next thing we are going to do is to click on generate. Now, when we click on generate, we'll leave it for just like in less than a second, in less than 1 minute, and Grok AI is going to generate the video for us from image to video using the prompt we got from ChatGPT. So this is the method you are going to use to generate all the image to video prompt. Every image you generated from with AI, you are going to use those images to generate videos and following what ChatGPT give to you, the prompt ChatGPT give to you. Now, as you can see, this is the interface. As you can see, this is how the first one, this is the video. All you just have to do is just to click on download, and you download this to your phone and you save it to your phone. Now the next thing you are going to do is to go back to ChatGPT again. You come back to second scene here. As you can see, second scene here, the scene 2. You copy the image to video prompt, the close-up level, camera, iron, so something like that, something like that. You copy it and you go back to Grok AI, and you go back here, you upload the second image. Now when you click on upload file, you upload the second image. After you upload the second image, you paste your prompt again and you do the same thing. This is how you are going to do for the entire scene. After you successfully do that, the next thing you should do is to head over to your CapCut or Insight, any video editing tool you are using, and you merge your videos together. I've shown you guys on my previous video how you can also get background music that will match your video. Yes, you can tell ChatGPT that it should help you generate the background music. Now, let me show you how I generate this background music. As you can see, I said now write me a music background should I will use in the movie to match the movie scene. I will be using Snow AI to generate the music. So after you talk to ChatGPT, ChatGPT is going to give you a music, write you a lyrics, and all you just have to do is just to copy the lyrics. As you can see, this is what ChatGPT gave to me. You copy this and you head over to Snow AI, where you are going to generate your music, and you paste your prompts there, and Snow AI is going to help you generate the music which you are going to use as a background music, so that it will look very nice, just the way you watch my video moment ago. So if you need more explanation about this, you can chat me one-on-one and I'm going to put you through, or you can watch my previous video which I explain everything much better than this. On my previous video I explained everything, and that video will be popping up here right now. So go and watch that video so that you are going to get everything done right. If you find this video helpful, make sure you like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when I start dropping more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on my next